Good morning, everyone. Today I'll explain you about technical drawing application. See, it is same as TDA, TD, that is technical drawing, engineering graphics, and geometrical design. So what we will do in this, I will explain you what is technical drawing. Now, I'll just show you next slide. Now, what is technical drawing? So the answer is, if you have seen a Google map, so that is technical drawing. So any drawing which you have understood without any external help is called technical drawing. So you see a road sign on our road, like, left, right, U-turn, all those comes under technical drawing. So the drawing which is understood by majority of the people with minimum effort is called technical drawing. So the question comes over here, if it is understood by maximum number of people, then can it be difficult? No, then it has to be simple. So it solves our next question ka answer is, if it is how it is it easy to understand or difficult? So it is easy. Now, next. So what is technical drawing? It is easy to understand by large number of people. It is easy to draw and replicate. Of course, when you're drawing it for masses, it can't be complicated drawing. Then it develops visualization. Now, let me tell you a difference between visualization and imagination. Many a times people say my child is not good in imagination. That is actually wrong. Everyone is blessed with imagination. If I'll tell you to imagine an apple, so everyone will imagine, but somebody will imagine a green apple, somebody will imagine a red apple. So that way it will vary. But when I say visualization, so I will say, okay, now visualize a red bus. So everyone will visualize a red bus. Then I'll give, okay, length is how much, height is so and so, and width is so and so. So if I'll give dimension, then everyone will visualize same. So this is constructive imagination, slow step by steps. The steps are there to visualize. So we deals with visualization. Then it's a universal language all across the globe. Anywhere you go, you will see the same thing. There won't be any change. So why technical drawing application is so famous among students? First of all, it is easy to score. On an average, people are scoring 90 plus very easily. Out of, let's say 1,000 students, 800 students score above 90. And out of those 800, somewhere around 200 students scored 100 out of 100. So that's why it is very famous. Second, it is practice based, 20% learning, 80% practice. Then it will be useful if you want to take up engineering, architecture, interior designing, graphics and animation. So anything to do with drawing, this topic will be helpful to you. It will be very helpful if your child is going for NATA, National Aptitude Test for Architecture. What we required? We required TDA set and repeat the same question. See, I believe 10 into 10 is greater than 100 into 1. So you will see us not doing many sums, but just doing the same sum again and again, again and again. So this is more from the practice point of view. So if so we don't have so many sums to do. So that's why people say that TD is very easy. It happens very quickly. But only those people, they will excel, those who are doing that same sum again and again. So if your child likes variety every now and then TD is not a right choice for them. And in any topic, let's say, even if they are going for sports or anything, so then they need to practice, like they have to run day in, day out to be the best in that final lap. So same way over here also, they need to do the same sum again and again. So I believe it will be better if they do the same sum 10 times. That will be much more beneficial to them than doing 10 different sums. Then they need to practice 1.5 hours every week. So whatever they are doing in school, apart from that, if they can devote 1.5 hours per week to practice, that will be more than enough. Neatness and accuracy will follow once they will start doing it regularly. Many parents, they have doubts, oh, my child is not neat, he's not accurate, so that you don't worry about it. And he needs to do 2-3 questions per week. So in a class, we'll be doing 2 or 3 sums every week. So you can imagine that they are not very much stressed about the portion as well as the content. And the project is for 100 marks, and they need to do 10 sheets covering the entire portion, 4 questions per sheet, and last 5 years board papers. Misconception. Now there are many misconception. Even if you draw one line wrong, entire answer is wrong. No, it is not like that. It is actually other way around. Even if you draw one line, you'll get 1 mark for it. Then is it graded? No, it is not graded. It is graded in SSC board. So if you come across any parent and if their child is doing same topic we have in SSC board, but it is graded. You need to devote a lot of time for project. No, if you're doing it regularly, then there is it will hardly take any time. And for TDA, one needs to have a good line work or imagination. So as I said, it is visualization, and line work you can develop over a period of time. So we will start with scratch. Thank you.